Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. A very blessed Eid Mubarak to you all. Hope you enjoyed this festival nicely at your homes. And now let's come back to our studies and welcome to the computer class. Hope students you all have enjoyed your vacations. Now let's get back to our studies and welcome to the computer class. In this lesson we will be discussing unit number 6, editing text in MS Word 2013, page number 71, 72 and 73. I will be explaining you the content in these page in the next slides. Now we have inserting text, how we can insert text in a Word document. To insert text between existing text, you have to right click the status bar and then click on the customize status bar. A menu will appear. Now you have to click the insert or overtype button. Now this way you can insert the text between the writing you have written. To insert text in between a text I have written, I have to select, right click on this status bar. This menu appears. I have to click on insert or overtype button. Now you can see on my left hand side this insert button appears. Now I can add text in between my text. As you can see, I am writing over here. Now we have the overtyping text option. This means that I can type and replace the already written text with the new text in overtype mode. I have to first click the insert on my status bar, and now I will click on insert. As you can see, change to overtype. Now I will place the cursor before the letter I want to overtype, and then I will type my text. Overtype already in the text, I will right click on the status bar. This is the overtype option. I will select this one. You can see on the side of the status bar insert button. I click on it. Now it's turned to overtype. Now I will be placing my cursor before the letter I want to change. Here I can write down what I want to add in my text, and easily I can add in it. Now we move on towards the next topic in editing the text of MS Word, that is deleting our text. We can easily delete a character, a word or a block of text. Now let's see how we can do it. You can easily delete your character, any character. A character here means a letter. The first method for that is you have to position your cursor with your mouse to the left of the character you want to delete, and then press delete. That is the key on your keyboard. Delete a character, you have to position the cursor to the left of the letter to be deleted and press the delete key on your keyboard. Now we will discuss the second method of deleting a character. You have to position the cursor to the right of the character to be deleted, and then you have to press the backspace key, which is located on your keyboard. Second method to delete a character, that is you have to position the cursor to the right of the character to be deleted and press the backspace key on your keyboard. You can see I have deleted my character. Easily delete a word. The first method for that, you have to place the cursor to the left of the word to be deleted and with that you have to press Ctrl and Delete keys on your keyboard. You can easily delete the first method your corrector. Any character over the left here means a letter to be deleted. And the first method for that is you have to position your cursor with your mouse to the left of the character you want to delete. The second method to delete a word in MS Word from your text is, first you have to place the cursor to the right of the word you want to delete, and along with that you have to press Ctrl and backspace keys on the keyboard. The second method to delete a word in MS Word from your text is, first you have to place the cursor to the right of the word you want to delete, and along with that you have to press Ctrl and backspace keys on the keyboard. Easily delete a block of text in your Word document. The steps for them is, select the text to be deleted and simply press delete or backspace key on your keyboard. To delete a block of text, you can see that I have selected the text to be deleted. Now I will press delete or backspace key on my keyboard. My text is deleted now. Now we move on towards the book page number 77, objective type questions. Question number 2, choose the correct option. You have to complete this question on your book. Let's discuss the questions. Now, as we have already discussed the questions, now let's match the answers. I hope my students have marked their answers correctly. The answer key for question number 2, choose the correct option. A part, correct answer is part 2, triple click anywhere in the paragraph. And for part B, the first option number 1, shift along with left hand side arrow key. And for part D, second part number 2 option is the correct answer, Control along with Z key on your keyboard. And number D question, the correct option is part 3, backspace key. And the last one, the last question E, the correct option is 1, Control along with V letter on your keyboard. I hope now my students have learned how to overtype and insert your text in your already written text. In this lesson, we have discussed how we can delete a word, character, and block of text, and we discussed more than one method for deleting a word and a character. Keep practicing. Don't forget to practice these shortcut keys as well on your laptop gadgets and complete your work on your books. Question number 2, choose the correct option, page number 77. Best of luck. See you inshallah in the next class. Allah Hafiz.